Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. And here's how it is done. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store under Sales Channels. This will take you to a new screen where you need to locate your current theme. On the right-hand side, click the three-dot menu and select Edit Default Theme Content from the dropdown. Next, in the editor, click on Sections at the top and scroll down to the Taxes and Shipping section. Here, you need to delete the existing text. If you prefer, you can replace it with something like Free Worldwide Shipping and add this text to the corresponding boxes below. Once you have made these changes, be sure to click Save at the top to apply them. And that is everything you need to know about how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.